Welcome to a new video of the Starter channel. Well, I have recorded a short video that I find very interesting. Let's see. Customers are asking us more and more frequently if they can do the distribution of the engine of their car without changing the water pump. Let's see. We all tell them the same thing: the water pump has to be changed when making the distribution. They tell us it's that they have read somewhere or someone who knows has told them that they don't have to be changed. Look, here you have a clear example. A Toyota Corolla, which they brought us a few days ago. They had distributed it and they had not changed the water pump. What happened? Look, there you can see the remains of the timing belt. They are charred because the water pump pulley bearing took up slack and got stuck, and when it got stuck, it broke the timing belt, and when it broke, it seriously damaged the valves, pistons, etc. etc. The breakdown of this engine is more expensive than it costs the car itself. So the most economical thing has been to look for a used engine and put it on. Okay? Be careful with these things, because to save, for example, €100. Because in the end you can have a breakdown of thousands of euros. Be careful with these things. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.